Good morning, children. Uh, I hope everybody we are in a safe zone. So we must say thank to the God. Now I am going to take accountancy subject. In the accountancy subject we have 10 units. Now we are going to see the first unit. The name of the unit accounts from incomplete records. From this topic, we can easily understand the meaning incomplete records. That is, in the sense, some of the transactions are recorded fully. Some of the transactions are fully omitted. Some of the transactions are entered only one aspect of the transaction. This kind of the recording transaction is called incomplete records. Normally, in India, every company must maintain accounting records under double entry system as per section 128 subsection 1 of the Indian Companies Act 2013. But some of the organization only follow the double entry system. Some organization may not follow the double entry system. To now, in this subject, fully we are going to see the single entry system, that is incomplete records. So we see the meaning first. So listen carefully. When accounting records are not strictly maintained according to double entry system, these records are called incomplete records. In the books of accounts, if you are not maintained properly, that kind of the record is called incomplete records. From this incomplete records, generally two types of account alone we are prepared. One is cash account and the next one is personal account of customers and creditors. These two accounts are maintained fully and other accounts are maintained only based on the necessity. Next, we are going to see the features of incomplete records. So, totally we have 6 features of incomplete records. First one, nature. Second one, types of accounts maintained. Third one, lack of uniformity. Fourth one, financial statements may represent true and fair view. Fifth one, suitability. Sixth one, mixing up of personal and business transaction. Now shall we see one by one. Nature. Why we are saying nature is a feature of incomplete records? Because it is a unscientific and a unsystematic way of recording transaction. Here we are not follow the accounting principles and accounting standards. So that's why we are consider nature is a feature of incomplete records. Next features types of accounts maintained. Here only we are going to prepare two types of account alone. We are not maintain real account, nominal account. So that is also one of the feature. Next third one, lack of uniformity. That is lack of uniformity in the sense different organization record the transaction based on their needs. So in that all the organization books of account is not uniformity. So that's why we are saying this is the one of the feature of the incomplete records. Next one, financial statements may not represent true fair view. Yes. How we are saying, because here assets and liabilities are not represent a true value, so that's why we are saying it is not represent a true fair view. So that's why we are consider as a, this is also one of the feature of the incomplete records. Next one, suitability. Yes, it is reliable only for the small size sole trader and partnership firm. This incomplete records only suitable for sole trader and a partnership firm only. Okay. And the remaining concern, it is not suitable. And the next last feature, mixing up of personal and business transaction. See the example. If you are purchasing the goods for own use, that goods also may be mixed up along with the business purchases. So that's why we are saying mixing up of personal and business transaction. So these are the 6 features of incomplete records. Okay, now next we are going to see the limitations of incomplete records. Totally we have 6 limitations of incomplete records. What are the 6 limitations? Limitations, that is already you know the meaning. Limitation, drawbacks, disadvantages, but these are all the terms are same. Okay, if you are maintaining the incomplete records, we have 6 disadvantages. First one, lack of proper maintenance of records. Yes, right, because here we are not maintaining the proper books of accounts, so this is the one of the disadvantages. Second one, difficulty in preparing trial balance. If we are not having the proper books of records, we are not able to prepare the trial balance. If we are not prepare the trial balance, we are not able to prepare the trading and the profit and loss account. If we are not prepare the trading and profit and loss account, difficulty in ascertaining true profitability of the business. If we are not prepare the trading and profit and loss account, very difficult to ascertain the financial position. Yes, why we must we ascertain the financial position? Because through the financial position alone, we know our business organization position, whether we are going to expand or we are our concern is running in a profitability position. If we know that situation, we must prepare the proper accounts. Okay, so here it is not possible because we are not prepared the trial balance, we are not prepared the trading and P&L, so it's not possible to prepare the balance sheet. So that's why we are not able to easily identify the financial position. And fifth disadvantages, errors and frauds cannot be detected easily. Yes, because part of the records we are omitted. So, and that the errors we are not able to easily identify and we are not able to rectify that error. And then last disadvantages, unacceptable to government and other authorities. Yes, because we are maintaining the incomplete records, so our customers and then government, tax authorities, these are the peoples are not accept the incomplete records. So these are the disadvantages of incomplete records. Next we are going to see difference between double entry system and the incomplete records. Already you know the meaning double entry system. Double entry system in the sense, if any transaction occurred, both the aspects we want to enter. Debit, if we give the debit aspect, automatically we want to give the credit aspect also. So, so the incomplete records, only one records, one aspect alone we entered. Sometimes in the incomplete records we are omitted that all the transactions. Sometimes we are recorded both the transactions. So that's why we are saying that is a incomplete records. So first difference, where here double entry system, both debit and credit aspects of all the transactions are recorded, but in the incomplete records not recorded both the aspects. Okay, that is the first difference. Second one, double entry system, we are maintaining personal, real, nominal accounts. Here we are maintaining all the accounts. Here only we are maintaining personal and cash accounts alone. Next difference, third difference, here accounting records are acceptable all users. All the users accepted the double entry system, but incomplete records, accounting records may not be acceptable to all the users. This is the third difference. Fourth one, here trial balance can be prepared. Here it is difficult to prepare. Here next one, here easily prepare the trading and profit and loss account. But in the incomplete records, it is difficult to prepare the trading and profit and loss account because we are not having the complete record. Then sixth difference, balance sheet can be prepared, balance sheet cannot be prepared. Here in the last seventh difference, it is suitable for all types of organization, right? Double entry system we followed in a proper accounting principle and standard, so it is possible, it is suitable to all types of organization. But incomplete records, we are not follow any accounting principles and accounting standards, so it is suitable only for the small size sole trader and a partnership firm only. Now I complete only the meaning of accounts from incomplete records, features of incomplete records, limitation, difference between double entry system and incomplete records. Only theoretical part alone today I completed. Tomorrow we will see the format and then sums. I hope you understand this topic. Next video we will see the format. Thank you.